This video is designed to give a brief overview of how to utilize the lab simulations contained in Physics LE. When you first log into Physics LE, you are brought to the dashboard page. Click on your course on the left side menu to be brought to your course page. First, let's look at how to preview all the simulations available within Physics LE. The question bank is the centralized location for all Physics LE content. It contains both physics problems and lab simulations. The easiest way to view the question bank is to click on the Physics LE question bank preview link. This link is simply a regular activity that's been created for quick access to the question bank. Click on the View Add Problems and Lab Simulations button. Then click Access Physics LE Question Bank. The question bank is organized into three main sections. The Physics LE simulations, these are the standalone simulations, Physics LE simulations with lab exercises, and Physics LE problems and questions. Scroll down to the Physics LE simulations section. Click on a topic to see the available simulations. You can preview the simulation by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. When it first opens, an information screen is displayed. Click on the image icon to run the simulation in a new browser tab. You can leave the question bank window open and preview as many simulations as you like. Let's return to the course page. So now, let's go over how to add simulations to your course page. It's important to remember that students will only have access to those simulations that are placed on your course page. Start by clicking the Turn Editing On button. Then click the Add Assignment or Lab Simulation link. Different kinds of content can be added to your course page. Select Physics Assignment Quiz Lab. Adding an activity to your course page is a two-step process. The first step involves setting the behavior on this settings page. The second step involves selecting the simulation. Let's give this activity a name that will appear on the course page. In the timing section, we have the option to open and close the simulation for students at particular dates and times. One important setting is the attempts allowed in the grade section. For standalone simulations, it will be important to set this to unlimited. The other settings on this page can be largely ignored, as they are more relevant to assignments and quizzes. This page provides a review of the activity settings. Click the View Add Problems and Lab Simulations button. On the View Add page, we'll select the content we wish to add for this activity. Click the Access Physics LE Question Bank link. Scroll down to the Physics LE Simulations section. Select the simulation you wish to add, and click the Add Selected Content button. Because there are no points associated with a standalone simulation, set the scaled total points to 0 and click Save. We can now return to the course page and turn editing off. You can view the simulation by clicking on the activity we just created. This is also how your students will see the simulation on their course page. You can place more than one simulation into an activity. However, for purposes of student navigation, you may find it best to only add a single simulation. Everything placed on your course page is saved for future use. Once you've done the initial setup of simulations you want available to students, The setup can be reused for future semesters. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions.